Welcome to our Bharat Exam channel. Most of the students expect when will we download our call ticket. So in our official website, they mentioned today itself we can download the call ticket, but nobody still download the call ticket. What they say in the official website? Just to be looking at this. So attention, call ticket will be available for download from 11/6. அதாவது இன்னைக்கு டவுன்லோட் பண்ணலாம் டுடே இட்செல்ஃப் அப்படின்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. Candidates may download their call tickets by logging into their account. An SMS notification will be sent once the call ticket download facility is activated. ஸோ டுடே வந்து உங்களுக்கு எஸ்எம்எஸ் வந்து ரிசீவ் ஆகும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. ஆஃப்டர் தட் யூ கேன் டவுன்லோட் யுவர் கால் டிக்கெட். ஸோ இன் ப்ளோ தே சம் இன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன் வில் பி given here. So many of the students just look into this. So mention the timing of our exam schedule. Okay. So both exams will be held 21/6 June 21/6 both exam morning and afternoon section. Okay. Junior assistant post for morning session. Junior accountant afternoon session. So entry time, close time, or exam start time and exam end time they will provide. So this is your time. So for you are apply for junior assistant morning 8 o'clock your reporting time. Okay. So closing time means 9 a.m. Exam time start time 9:30 a.m. Exam end time 11 a.m. Okay. Afternoon junior accountant exam will be held 1:30 p.m. In your reporting time. 2:30 close time. Exam will start 3 p.m. 4:30 p.m. exam will close. Okay. So in detailed available in official website. So in the today itself we can download. So they mentioned on SMS notification will be sent once the call ticket download facility is activated. So wait today night. Until today night we can download the call ticket. So in below login credential available. So you can log in your own credential. After that you can see your application form as well as you may get your call ticket today night itself we may get. Okay. So wait, if I come I will update my YouTube channel. So anyone needs study material means just WhatsApp me. I will provide Android app for soft copy study material.